10 Playful Teases that women secretly love. Playful teasing is one of the most effective ways to create attraction, build rapport, and keep interactions exciting. Women love a man who knows how to tease in a light-hearted, confident, and fun way. The key is to strike the right balance. Playful, not mean. Flirtatious, not obnoxious. When done correctly, teasing makes women feel drawn to you, eager to engage, and naturally intrigued. In this article, we will break down 10 playful teases that women secretly love and explain why they work so well. 1. The mock brag. Women love a guy who can joke about himself with confidence. Instead of taking yourself too seriously, exaggerate your accomplishments in a humorous way. Example: "You're lucky to be hanging out with me today. I usually charge for my time, but you get the VIP pass. I'd say I'm about 95% perfect. The remaining 5% keeps me humble." Why it works. It shows confidence without arrogance and makes her laugh, which instantly builds a connection. 2. The fake challenge. Women enjoy a bit of competition, especially when it's framed as a fun, light-hearted challenge. This gets her engaged and creates playful tension. Example: "I bet you can't go 5 minutes without checking your phone. Let's see if you can prove me wrong. You seem cool, but I'm not sure if you're fun enough to hang out with me. Convince me." Why it works. It shifts the dynamic so she's trying to impress you, which builds attraction. 3. The pretend misunderstanding. Teasing through a pretend misunderstanding keeps the conversation playful and unpredictable. Women love it because it adds an element of mystery and humor. Example: her, "I love traveling." You, "Oh, so you're one of those people who has a world map on their wall and pretends to be a travel guru?" Why it works. It keeps the conversation entertaining while subtly challenging her, making you more intriguing. 4. The playful nickname. Giving her a unique nickname adds a fun, flirty dynamic to your interactions. It creates an inside joke that only the two of you share. Example: if she's wearing glasses, "All right, Professor, tell me something I don't know." If she loves coffee, "Careful, coffee addict, you might turn into a caffeine bean." Why it works. It adds a personal and memorable touch to your conversations, making you stand out. 5. The over-the-top compliment. Instead of giving a standard compliment, exaggerate it in a fun way. This makes her laugh while still making her feel special. Example: "Wow, I think I just saw a halo appear above your head. Are you even real? You must be a magician because you just made every other girl in this room disappear." Why it works. It combines humor with admiration, which is far more effective than generic compliments. 6. The fake jealousy. Pretending to be jealous in an exaggerated, playful way adds flirtation and excitement to the interaction. Example: "Wait, you have a dog? I'm not sure if I can handle competing for your attention." "Oh, so you have a guy best friend? I see how it is. I guess I'll just be number 2. Why it works. It shows you don't take things too seriously and can joke about relationships without being possessive. 7. The reverse psychology trick. By pretending you don't want her to do something, you make her want to do it more. Example: "You probably shouldn't smile right now. I hear it's contagious. I don't think you can handle a dance-off with me." It might ruin your reputation. Why it works. It plays on her desire to prove you wrong, making the interaction more fun and engaging. 8. The playful mockery. Gently teasing her habits or preferences in a light-hearted way makes conversations feel more personal and dynamic. Example: if she's obsessed with Instagram, let me guess, you have at least 10 pictures of your coffee on your feed. If she's always late, wow, you must be on VIP time. Regular clocks just don't apply to you. Why it works. It builds a playful connection while keeping the conversation lively and unpredictable. 9. The pretend disinterest. Teasing by acting like you're not overly impressed by something she's proud of makes her more intrigued. Example: her, I can cook really well. You, oh yeah, I'll be the judge of that. If your food is good, I might consider keeping you around. Why it works. It challenges her in a fun way, making her want to prove herself to you. 10. The mysterious statement. Making an ambiguous or teasing statement keeps her curious and engaged in the conversation. Example: I figured you'd be trouble the moment I met you. You're definitely not what I expected, but I think I like it. Why it works. It creates intrigue, making her want to know what you really think about her. Conclusion: teasing done right creates attraction. Playful teasing is one of the best ways to make your interactions with women more fun, engaging, and memorable. The key is to keep it light-hearted and fun, never mean-spirited. Women love men who can challenge them in a playful way while making them laugh and keeping them on their toes. By using these 10 playful teases, you'll naturally stand out, create deeper connections, and make women genuinely enjoy being around you. The next time you're talking to a woman, try one of these teases and see how she reacts. Chances are, she'll love it more than you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.